So in this video we'll be talking about the Payroll app. So to access this Payroll app, click on the home menu, then look for Payroll, then click on Payroll. So now this shows the reference, employee, payslip name, dates from, dates to, status, and pay batch. So the purpose of the payroll is to show the employee payslip, as you can see here, is to just show the employee payslip. So look at the several employees, look at the payslip and the modes. So you can create a new payroll, you can create a new employee payslip, create a new employee payslip, and like I've said in other videos, it's in a list format currently. You can set it to Kanban based on how you want to visualize it. Okay, so let's go back to the let's click on the first one. So once you click on it, this is how it comes out: the employee, the contract, okay, the reference, the structure, and the pay slip name. So the work days, now let's look at this. The description is a normal work day paid at 100%. This is the work code. The number of days, this is 23 days. Hours, 184 hours. So it just show you more details on the employee payslip for a particular employee. So let's go back to the payroll. So, and as well as I've mentioned in other previous videos as well, if there are several employees, maybe up to 100, to search for employee payslip, you can come in and type the employee's name. So this is it for the employees payroll. This is for the employees payroll, and it's very important. Yeah, it's a very important feature of the Odoo app that needs to be understood properly.